Bring joy to your holiday brunch with this fruit cobbler with warm creme anglaise. Butter the bottom and sides of a Le Creuset rectangular roaster. Toss together mixed berries, peaches, sugar, cornstarch, lemon juice, vanilla, cinnamon, cardamom, and set aside while we prepare the cake. Combine flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt in a bowl. Then in a separate bowl, pour in buttermilk, melted butter, and vanilla. Whisk to combine, then stir in the dry ingredients. Doll up the batter on top of the fruit, then brush with buttermilk and sprinkle with coarse sugar. Bake in the oven for 60 to 70 minutes until the cake is golden brown. Meanwhile, in a Le Creuset saucier, bring milk, vanilla seeds and bean, lemon zest, and salt to a gentle boil. Remove from the heat, cover, and steep for 15 minutes. In a bowl, whisk egg yolks and sugar until pale and thick, and gradually whisk in the warm milk mixture. Return to the saucier and cook until it coats the back of a spoon, and immediately strain into a bowl. Enjoy this fruit cobbler warm or at room temperature, drizzled with warm creme anglaise. Happy holidays and bon appetit!